So guys, welcome to my vlog. Now I'm going to cook my favorite suman. Um, para bukas kasi wala dito yung amo ko kaya ginawa ko na ngayon. So, okay. So, samahan niya ako. Salamat sa panonood. So, ito yung ingredients natin. Ginger. Nasa sa inyo kung ilan ang ilagay nyo. Pero gusto ko mas marami. Ito yung salt, 2 teaspoon salt. Kasi ang gagawin ko ngayon na malagkit is 3 kilo. Tapos sugar. Yan, nakita nyo sugar. Ano ito nasa 1/4, 400 grams siya. Tapos ito coconut milk, gata. 4 ang gagawin ko. Pagkatapos ito yung malagkit natin. Yan. Kita nyo? Yan yung malagkit natin. Tapos hugasan natin siya ngayon. Yan. Tapos hugasan muna natin siya. Hugasan muna natin siya para mawala yung mga alikabok na kasama dito sa bigas. Kasi syempre nasa tindahan maraming alikabok. Kahit isang beses mo lang siyang hugasan, pwede na. Matanggal lang yung alikabok. Ayan. Tapos itabi na natin. Tapos ito yung dahon, banana leaves. Ito malagkit, glutinous rice, 3 kilos. And this one is gata, coconut milk. I used 4 cans. 4 na cans ang ihalo ko. Ito ginger. Ulitin ko, ginger. Gusto ko ng marami. I want more because I want the aroma of the ginger. Kasi it's delicious if so much ginger. And then salt. And then sugar, 400 grams. This one is a banana leaves. So now I add some here. Shake well before you open. Okay. And I turn on the fire. So this is number 3. At ito na yung last one, number 4. 4 cans. And the sugar. I want a little sweet, and this is the salt. Make sure na yung test na is same. Maghalo yung sugar at saka asin ng lasa. Ginger, I add ginger. haluin mo siya ng haluin. Okay? Lucky my employer is very nice to me, so I can cook whatever I want. Okay? So this is now, I just mix. Haluin ng haluin ng haluin hanggang sa matunaw yung ating sugar at saka salt. Mix well until the sugar and the salt melt. And the taste is delicious. Yung magsama yung asin niya, yung lasa ng asin at saka yung asukal. So this one, all of this, my friends in boarding house like this, my delicacy. This is a Philippine delicacy. I really like this so much. So before we add the rice, the glutinous rice, I need to add, we need to boil the coconut milk. So okay, so just wait a while. These banana leaves I boil water. Ano ako ng tubig na pakulo. Tapos sinawsaw ko ito para maluto yung dahon niya. I boil water, and after that I put this banana leaves so that the banana leaves will cook, and then you clean, so you remove the water, and like this. I am alone, so it's not easy for me to do these things. So wait a while, just I do this one. And after that, you need to cut both sides, this one. You need to cut this. Just like this, so that it's easy for you to roll. Okay, this is only I'm showing you so that if you want to make this Filipino delicacy, it's easy for you to make. So now this it's now boiled. Did you see? It's now already boiled. And then the taste is mixed already, so it's time to add this rice. So I need to add this one. I use the strainer so that yung water niya is hindi masama kasi hinugasan natin eh. So i-off ko muna yung ano natin. Ayan. Ihalo-halo mo lang siya. Okay. So, I am cooking. Ito yung masarap na suman at gustong-gusto ng mga ka-board mates ko. Gumamit ako ng salaan para maalis yung tubig kasi binabad natin ay hinugasan natin siya. para hindi makadagdag doon sa gata na masarap na ano niya. Haluin mo lang siya ng haluin hanggang sa matuyo yung gata. Masakit. Na-miss ng mga anak ko ito kasi matagal na ako sa ibang bansa since 2006. Hindi na ako nakapag-Christmas doon at New Year. Yung mga anak ko iniwan ko sila ng high school kasi kailangan kong mangibang bansa dahil sa hirap ng buhay sa Pilipinas. Masakit man sa dibdib kong lumayo ng Pilipinas, pero tinanggap ko dahil para sa kinabukasan at makapagpaaral ng mga anak. So, ganun lang talaga, tiis-tiis, kahit minsan yung amo natin, nakatagpo tayo minsan ng amo hindi mabait, pero may awa si Lord, at pinagpala ako. Kaya, bago ko nakamit yung amo na mabait, dumaan niyo guys sa butas ng karayom. Hindi basta-basta yung dinaanan kong hirap, mula nung nag-umpisa ako bilang isang OFW. Oops, careful. So, yan na siya. Haluin lang natin siya ng haluin. Oops, dahan-dahan. Kasi, baka kailangan kong ilapag itong ano ko. Hinaan natin kasi parang dumikit. So, kailangan kong ilapag yung cellphone ko. Saan ko ito ilagay? Parang dito yata. Sige, pwedeng ilagay ko dito. Wala akong tagahawak. Kaya, ayan. Pwede siya. Ay! Sorry. Natumba na siya talaga. Hindi siya pwedeng walang matuyo siya. Pag natuyo na siya, ayan. Umano na siya, mahirap. Ako lang mag-isa, kaya mahirap. Basta haluin lang siya. Ayan. Hininaan na natin yung apoy para hindi siya dumikit. Ayan, dumikit na kasi siya. Kaya hinaan na natin yung apoy. Pagkaano na siya. Ito yung Filipino delicacy na favorite ko. Kasi yung ibang nagluluto ng suman ay hindi ko gusto yung lasa. At saka yung way ng the way they cook. So, I want to eat my own cooking. My own recipe. So, I just want to share this to all. So that you can try also. If you see my biko, that biko is last night I still have left. I didn't put in the fridge because here in Macau is very cold. So until last night I have eaten the biko. So how many days na? From 24, 25, 4 days. I still eat the biko. So, hindi siya luto. And later on, after I put this in the banana leaves, I steam this one and then I show you later, okay? So, wait a while. So, okay. So, I have continued to dry the water from the leaves. It's about to finish. Then later on I start to rub the leaves, to rub the glutinous rice in the piece of banana leaves I have cut. See, very dirty, so we need to do this one so that the dirty of the leaves will remove, and then we cook very clean. So okay, nakita niyo yung ginagawa ko. You have seen what I am doing right now for my special suman. We call this suman in Philippines. So dirty. I use tissue so that after that, just throw away. No need to wash.